Bokayan Youth Forum atumpen one day volleyball tournament ka pamanpon. Roangora Gosner Evangelical Lutheran Church atumpen ta Youth Sunday talonpon. Nanarong Sport Association atumpen patirpi ponsi pini bompotar patru aklamalong Inter Club Football League kapatid kapangcheng po.
Oi goal di dai Rajib. Rajib halke.
Kardom pini alke news long mane thanman jinili thengdam tobi non bertang pen arju panika. Chitini Paikri Siarni Bokayan Youth Forum atumpen patirpi ponsi tongnog be English High School pathu aklamalong one day volleyball tournament kachapate padopon pini Bokayan Youth Forum atumpen one day volleyball tournament ka padopon along rongke thekarbi Youth Club RKYC atumpen cherap chetotun sipini bangso volleyball tournament kachapate ing samjen pen pachun ponlo Pini one day volleyball tournament ka chapate ka pathu aterang la anpen crate rock aterang atumpen ka pathu ka chapate ka thekna anong e siam gong atumpen final chapai ponsi ka thekna anong e chedeng ponlonglo ke hai anong e suri phola pen kerem anong e dilajan arong pen suri ke thamanong e chedeng ponlonglo bokajana pirthe along kopia joksi Bokayan Youth Forum sengpon nangkok loma polam the bokajana kangalong ajat asai tami ka papidun hopen aprang keng kam ngachar ponji apan sport education la pen ason tomon kimi evan ponji apan BY sengpon loposi biota repon roa korapen loren lekti loti kimi news karbiang Roangora Gosner Evangelical Lutheran Church atumpen ta Youth Sunday talonpon labangso jai mek chengche aprang mai pi grositerang tipen me chapen pi ponsi pini labangso Youth Sunday jai mek tame pangcheng pon adontu sarkoi teron ain ben same jumison ala malam same thanpon puro Sunday School Student Youth Department atumpen jumison kilon gikan tame paklang ponsi pini jai megalong nangatong dun an arat atuma paning parongpon kadu kawiben bang porot tok se amulo atum pini Youth Sunday Aja megalong setong don pen alir alon pen pidun pen Youth Sunday aja mek sami mesen pen talon pon roangora pen loren lekti luti ki minus karbiang long Pini Chitini Paikrehini Arni Kangsam Porpai Pli Along Pen Pathu Pangcheng Ponlo Pini Laso Pathu Along Owe Chingri Football Club Lapen Bompathar Anthony Football Club Angbong Se Pathu Chepate Ponlo Pupu Atim Stame Ketek Chimbal Kriya Jok Forsap Ke Pupu Dagol Chipi Pese Pathu Ponlo Aduntu Mate Sikonha Bahor Chingri Football Club Atum Player Mindar Timung Angol Isi Bompathar Anthony Football Club Atum Apan Gol Thapon Pen Owe Chingri Football Club Atum Gol Isi Pen Chepai Ponlo Pini labangso football ka pathu ka chepate pon along kangsai pon lake Britain Bay Midley Ferry lapen Nayames Air 1 lapen Singrong PR 2 lapen Charles Corbota Air 3 atmahin bensi ing samjen ben laso pathu along insai ponlo Pini labangso football ka pathu along alhi aman peng pen anga chitong dun Mahamya constituency em Lonsing Teron lapen Mahamya VDC chairman Rajesh Teron lapen Mahamya Mondol committee mai pu purno inti lapen Mahamya VDC member Joycing Kro Thanbang Jiten Timong Maimai Mondol Committee Kong Chunbang Babu Tiso Lapen Bompatar SCB Lapen Rongasar Tum Stame Chetong Ton Pen Ing Samjen Ben Batu Cepate Pachun Pondong Mokak Pen Rupam Hanseluti Kiminus Karbiang
Hari Manu saya. Oh, goldie deh, Rajib. Rajib, halke. Rajib. Oh, Rajib, saya ada deh. Rajib. Rajib le. Rajib golke jadi dikah.
Army pen तब खोलो तो Army pen
Pinya berta ke langsung kantor peniglo domet ham korang tu